You guys can see that. My friend actually sent this to me for the holidays. I actually don't have a her album, so I just took off the plastic wrapping of it. Here's the official sticker of it. I'm excited. I actually don't know the theme for each of the letters for the her album, so this is a complete surprise to me. So let's get started. Okay, let's see. It's so beautiful. Look at that. I actually really like the her album a lot. Okay. So here's the album, and then here are the notes, which I can't read. Okay, let's open this up. I actually don't know what's like in here. Okay, let me see. Okay, let's flip through the album. Oh, it's this one. I really like this concept. Okay, sorry for the background noise. I'm recording by a window. So cute. You know what? I really like the her concept a lot. I like the tear concept a lot too, but the her one, I don't know. It's just they seem a lot brighter and younger looking. Jungkook's so young. Look at that. That's the beginning of the Love Yourself era, and he looks so much younger for some reason. Oh, there he is again. They look so young. I like Jin the most during the her album. Oh my god, I got V, guys. Oh my god, I was literally hoping I get V, and I got V. Oh my god. Sorry, I just oh my god, how handsome he is. I didn't even know the photo card was in here. Like, I looked at like, wait, is that V? Oh my god. Okay, my camera is dying, so let's see the stickers. Oh, this is so cute. Oh, these are so cute. Oh my god, guys, sorry, I'm like so excited that I got V. Is this the same outfit? Oh yeah, okay. Oh my god. J-Hope! I really like him with like the red brownish hair. I think that he looks the best with the red hair. Sorry, V, I know you have red hair right now, but this is my favorite photo of Jin, even though he kind of looks a little bit different here, but I really like him in this type of style. Like, this photo shoot for him was like the best. Oh my god, I need to tell my friend I love her because I really want to. Look how young he looks. He looks like a baby. He's so cute. Jimin! Jimin! Sorry, I'm. They grew up so much. I know I was talking like I'm a lot older than them, but I'm the same age as Jin. I love Sugar with blue hair. Like, I think he rocks the blue hair the best. Okay guys, my camera's, just when my camera's dying, I need to flip through him quickly. Look at him. He's so good. Oh, okay, so here are the lyrics. But oh my god, I got V. I'm so happy right now. Look at him. Focus. Can't focus on his beauty. Oh, so beautiful. Okay, well, thank you so much for joining me. I'm very happy to have V. So if you guys like this, please check out the Tear and Answer album that I unpacked as well. I'm very glad that my friend gave me the her album. It completes my collection, or at least one of each anyways. But yeah, I'm excited for their next comeback. I see their hair color changing, so that's a sign. Bye!